Okay, walking into the new place. Are you guys ready to see it? Got some nice big windows. It's a mess inside. Be prepared. Here we go. Oh! The carpets got scrubbed yesterday, so it's like really humid in here today. But we've got a nice big space. Today is painting day. All this blue is going bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You see it from this side. So that'll be our nice little walk-in area. It's gonna be super cute when we're done, guys. So I'm really sorry I don't have a tutorial ready for this week, but I am working on it. It's working on home. But today I am going to be painting. We got a nice little seating and dressing area. I already got a new sink coming. Yeah, and see the nice guy who was here before, he glued a rug to the floor. So surprise, it's just like home ownership. Things happen, so didn't plan on replacing the floor just yet, but guess what? It's happening. And I'm gonna have some workstations back in here in this little room. And then, let's see, we're gonna walk out back. Let's see. And that's our back of our building, right outside of a Hobby Lobby. So we're gonna have a huge sign out back so our friends at Hobby Lobby can see us. And it is going to be fabulous. So what do you think, guys? I think it's gonna be awesome. If you think it is too, post in the comments below. Keep an eye on the Facebook group because I am gonna be posting a tutorial for this week. It's just gonna be a little bit late. Gotta get all the painting and stuff done, and then we will get back on track, I promise you. But we weren't expecting to do this, and it just kind of fell in our lap last week at Thanksgiving, and so we are in rush mode to get this place up and ready to open for January. So keep watching, and I will be back soon.